Today, I'll walk you through how to copy and paste a table from Power BI to Excel, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transfer your data seamlessly so you can analyze it further in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. This is where you'll find all your data visualizations and reports. Think of it as your command center for data analysis. Once Power BI is open, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see various options and you want to click on Table View. This is where all your tables are listed, similar to flipping through a catalog to find the right item. Now choose the specific table that you want to copy. This is the data you'll be transferring to Excel. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Next, right-click on the title of the table you've selected. A menu will pop up and you'll want to click on Copy Table. This action is like taking a snapshot of your data, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now navigate to your Excel page. Click on the cell where you want to paste the table. Simply right-click and select Paste, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V. Your table will appear in Excel, ready for you to work with, just like moving a piece of furniture into a new room. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a table from Power BI to Excel. This method is a great way to leverage the powerful data visualization capabilities of Power BI while utilizing Excel's robust data manipulation features. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.